Ooh, Birkin. Mary, what the fuck? Mary, I've never seen you do that. Malibu, Goldzilla, Foxy. Mary, stop pumping Birkin. What are you doing, girl? Look at everybody. What's up, everybody? Tap that screen. Hit that follow button if you're not already following me. I got newborn puppies inside, just born 2 days ago. Letting some of the adults play. They already ate. This will be their last play time of the night, and they'll all go get put to bed. These two girls are in heat. We got Hamburger Mary over here humping Birkin for some reason. Fat Mary. Oh, what's up, bro? I'm gonna add you. I just added you. I haven't got it done yet. It was supposed to get done on the 1st. Let me show you the space. They were supposed to come on the 1st, but my guys are running a little bit behind on getting it ready. And I want to get like the bottom paneled out and shit before they do it. All gonna be turf. Gonna fence this area in here. This will all be artificial turf play area for the dogs. And then I'll get my porch back. They done destroyed my porch. Hi, due on Monday, fluffy Frenchies. Exotic long-haired Frenchies due on Monday. Hit that follow button now. You can watch the C-section live. I got 2 mini EBs in heat, Hamburger Mary and Birkin. Remy, stop. Remy, stop. Stop. She was a bit. Why would you do that, Remy? She's so crazy. She always thinks she needs to defend me and everything because of her puppies. Oh, get in there, mama. You ready for your puppies? Ready for your puppies, mama? Frenchie puppies available, 2 days old, born C-section on Monday. Go to my page, you can see the video. Pecan, come on. Pecan, come on. Pecan, get in there. Come on. Come on. Pecan, come on. Little fat girl. What did I put under the towel? So I normally have egg crate foam in here, and I cleaned it to dry the other day, and Goldzilla bit it. So that's why I just threw some towels in here, and I got it all lumpy, because you don't want them on a flat surface. You want it to be like egg crate normally. But instead, like I said, I just got some lumpy towels in there. That damn Goldzilla destroys everything. It smelled like pee, so I like rinsed it out and I was letting it dry, and he like fucking bit the foam. So I gotta order a new piece or something. He is, that Goldzilla is naughty. What's up, crazies? What's up, crazies? That's because of that good feeding, Lorenzo. Because I haven't been missing no feedings. Got him putting on weight good. I'm happy with the progress in all of them. There's one little guy who's a little sketchy, but I'm gonna get him through it. It's that guy right there. What's up, man? If you're not already following me, smash that follow button now. You can go to my page and see the video of these puppies being born via C-section. I'll be going live on Monday for my fluffy Frenchie C-section. I have fluffy Frenchies due on Monday, exotic long-haired Frenchies. I do have puppies available. I only give a discounted rate if you lock in before the litter's due, so that's still available on Pecan Pie, and I am extending the discounted rate on this litter out to this weekend since she had so many. 6 chocolates, 1 lilac. Everybody carries testable Rojo chocolate. 4 boys, 3 girls. Big Bone Bulldogs on all my platforms, IG, Gmail, and my website, bigbonebulldogs.com. Link in the bio takes you to all of those. My YouTube is The Bulldog Breeder. Go subscribe, The Bulldog Breeder. Link is in the bio. I'm gonna post a lot of the progression on building out my dog farm and the indoor bulldog kennel. A lot of that's gonna get posted on YouTube. You ready for the pups, huh, Remy? She said, yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy, I am ready. How long has it been? Let's just do a quick feeding, Remy. I was gonna wait a little while to do a feeding, but fuck it. I might show y'all my secret. I've never showed anybody this. I might show y'all my secret real quick. You asked about what's in the incubator. I'll show you my secret. My secret to healthy pups. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're wondering what the fuck that was. Run, run. All right, come here. fuck is this? This black onyx. It's a healing stone. Bro, I'm so mad about that shit. I appealed it and they denied my appeal. I post something on Instagram with my shirt off and it gets fucking it gets denied, reported, whatever the fuck you call it. But there's bitches literally on there with like fucking dental floss bikinis, like fucking less than a scarf covering their fucking body. And they'll blast it. They'll send it all through the algorithm. 1 million views. But I get a reel that starts climbing and I got my shirt off and I get flagged. That shit's crazy. That shit's crazy. Like, I really can't post anything with my shirt off, apparently. But girls are allowed to post half naked and get all the views they want. For real, like, tiny. Same with TikTok. TikTok's on the bullshit too. That shit's so crazy. I wonder if it was the algorithm that flagged me or a hater. More than likely a hater. More than likely a hater. You know I be talking my shit, so I'm sure I got plenty of haters. Open your mouth, perp. Oh, chocolate female, cocoa chocolate female, carries testable Rojo chocolate, can make Isabella's. Seven pups, 4 boys, 3 girls, 2 cocoa chocolate, 4 cocoa and tan, 1 lilac and tan. Here, Remy. I guess I'll do it. This one doesn't want to feed no more. Got a full belly, needs to poop. Apparently pee. She's a lilac and tan. No pied, no brindle. 2 copies cocoa, 2 copies blue. ATA, 1 copy tri. She's a great mom. She has 17 kids and 17 grand puppies. And this was her final litter, her biggest litter yet. She gave me 6, 4, and now 7. And now she's done. She's retired. I'll get her fixed next heat cycle. I've had Bulldogs my whole life. I've only been doing this full time like 3 years, 4 years. 3 years. McGilla, chill out, boy. Yeah, McGilla, chill out. Hey, he's finally leaving you alone. Stop trying to get him to fight. See, Remy's stimulating bowels also. I'm just doing the same thing, helping her out, cleaning them up. Who was the first? What color did I have the first time? Purple, right? Yeah, this one. And Remy just finished him up, or her up. Oh, this one feels big old belly. Another girl, Cocoa female. Yeah, I got I don't know if you're on here still, Jamie. I got him to do metallic epoxy at $7 a foot. I got him to do the metallic epoxy for $7 a foot. He breeds dogs too. I got him down to $7.50, and then I told him if he does 7, I'll do a deal, and he did it. So yeah, I got him. I figure that's a pretty good price. Everyone else was quoting me at like 10, 11 a foot or some shit. I think my first quote was like $7,400 to do that space. And then the guy I got doing it's doing it for like 54 or 58, some shit. 54, I think. I left Guap outside, Remy. He left himself outside. Come on. Yeah, they are. Did you get her on formula? Formula will constipate them sometimes. You gotta do it. I mean, if it goes too long and the tummy's really hard and you're scared, it's been like 3 days, you probably just gotta do an enema. Shoot some water in their butt. Because yeah, they need to be making bowel movements. You can't get stuck up like that. They're on my Mom, I took to the vet. He told me to leave her. She's fine. Is your vet even a reproductive vet? Do you trust your vet? Has your vet earned your respect? Because 80% of them are fucking clowns and don't know what the fuck they're doing, but they'll look at you with a smile and tell you some shit and take your money. Especially if they're not a reproductive vet when it comes to anything reproductive or with these dogs. Every 2 to 3 hours for the first 2 to 3 weeks. I just use unscented wipes. I'm driving, what did it say? It's driving me nuts. I mean, I would give it another day. If it's been 3 days, I'd give it an enema. It's okay, puppies. Yeah, most vets are horrible, I'm telling you. Especially if it's one of them the young fucking chicks. They'll fucking look at you and tell you anything and not know what the fuck is going on. Tiny boy. Super small cocoa and tan boy. Yeah, but if the abdomen's huge and hard, then that's the problem. You don't gotta put a lot for the dragon's blood. Just start dropping it until you see the color hit the color that you like. It's only like 10 drops. That shit's strong. A bottle of that betadine will last you the rest of your life. Get back, Mom. See what I mean? How she gets a little too intense sometimes? She's a great mom, but she gets a little too intense sometimes. I mean, we're both doing it together. And, I mean, her nutrients come from her diet, from what I feed her. She doesn't need puppy shit. And I do it better and more efficient. These puppies need to eat, poop, get cleaned, and get back into that incubator. I don't need to waste time. Super tiny cocoa and tan male. 2 days old, born via C-section on Monday. Hit that follow button now. You can go to my page and watch the video of these pups born. You can also tune in on Monday. I have another litter due. I'll go live for the C-section. Fluffy Frenchies due on Monday. Exotic long-haired Frenchies. Hit that follow button now. Big Bone Bulldogs on all my platforms. Add my Instagram, DM me over there. BigBoneBulldogs.com, Big Bone Bulldogs Gmail. Or go to my YouTube, The Bulldog Breeder on YouTube. What's up, pecan pie? You hot, mama? I turned the fan off. Thought the puppies were getting cold. That one was cold. The temperature was dropping, actually. Appreciate the roses, Vanessa. What is dragon's blood? Go to my hit the follow button, go to my page, go to educational content and scroll down. There's a reel on dragon's blood. Go watch it and drop a comment for me. It's real simple. I use the incubator for the first 3 weeks. Incubator to nipple, incubator to nipple. I feed every 2 to 3 hours for the first 2 to 3 weeks. Cindy with the heart hand. Appreciate it, Cindy. Cindy with the heart hand. I appreciate you. Should we give her a heart hand back, Rem? Oh, Remy wants to give her a heart hand back. Oh, no, we can't. We can't, can we? All right, give her a heart hand, Remy. Remy says heart hand back. Show your little hands, Remy. Heart hand. Remy says heart hand. Thank you for the heart hand. Puppy heart hand. She got another one. Heart hand back at you. Heart hand back at you. Oh, shake 'em, Remy, shake 'em. Heart hand. Remy is a 9 nipple. Most have 8. Remy's got an extra 5th one over here. I think Malibu, her daughter, does too. Malibu or Rona does. One of them has 9 too. Oh. Oh, Rem. I love the English. I do mini and micro English also. I got 2 English in heat right now. I'm gonna do progesterone on Birkin tomorrow and see where she's at. I prefer the English. If I only had to choose one, I'd choose English. My heart is with the English, but I love my Frenchies also. Get me up to 15K likes, everybody. Tap that screen. Tap that screen, everybody. All right, I'm back. I appreciate everyone hanging out with me. I'll be back on at midnight for the last feeding of the night. And I'm gonna try to get me a decent nap in tonight. I got these puppies full as can be. I've been topping them off every hour. So I think I deserve about a 4-hour nap later on. Yeah, let's hit 20K before I go. Let's hit 20K before I go. What y'all want to see? Tell me what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see teenage pups? This little girl should be going to Alabama like Friday. McGilla staying here. This Merle female I think I'm going to take to Mike. And this male, I have someone asking, but he's still available. I got a great price on him. He had a twin brother. That's probably the only reason he's still here. But I can't believe he hasn't sold yet. And then I'm extending the discounted rate out another week on these pups here. I rarely sell anything for under 5K, but if you lock in by this weekend, I'll get you one of these chocolate pups for under 5K, pet home. Link in the bio, Big Bone Bulldogs on all platforms. Tap that screen, let's hit 20K. Let's hit 20K. Remy's eating like a good mama. Pecan pie, she's waiting. Hold on out, mama. Hold out for Monday, mama. Fluffy Frenchie's coming on Monday. I think it would really turn his yard up. I think she's absolutely perfect for him. He has no Merle in his yard. He doesn't have much color. She's a lilac, so that's two blue, two cocoa. She's a quad carrier. Carries cream. She's a AT, 2 copies tan points. She's got the double marble eyes. Super stacked pedigree off Malibu and Iceman. I think she would really turn Mike's yard up, and I got a really good price for a co-own on him. I wouldn't give anyone else that price but Mike, but I'm going to give Mike a super great... I'm going to give him a deal he can't refuse. If this girl doesn't come and get this female that she said she's going to get like the last week, I'm going to give Mike a deal he can't refuse to co-own this girl with me. Yeah, she's about 14 weeks. She really is. You can't even see her eyes right now, but she's got the double marble eyes. Sky blue. Yeah, she would really stand out over there, huh? She would really stand out over there. I definitely need to do it. She would be like a new little mascot. What up, KD? That's the sister to your boy's pup. That's the sister I'm talking about to your boy's pup. KD's the one that put me on to his buddy that bought the sister to the Merle right here. Some good guys from North Carolina. Or South Carolina. I think it was North Carolina. I do use liquid gold. I've been giving Goldzilla some liquid gold lately, trying to jack him up a little bit and get some good pictures. He doesn't ever let me get good pictures of him, man. I haven't been promoting him like I need to. He's always just jumping around, or when he's structured right, he'll have his ears pinned back. He won't have his ears forward, so I just can never get good pictures of him. Oh, okay, nice. Y'all co-owner together. That's what's up. Oh, you're talking about that, Heine? Appreciate you watching, Christine. Appreciate the support. Thank you, Deb. Thank you, everybody. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Big Bone Bulldogs on all platforms. Links in the bio. I'll be back on at midnight for another feeding. Yeah, exactly. I definitely got to keep her away from Bucky. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Hit that follow button.